Hello everyone, this is Saad Ahmed, and today we are going to talk about one of the basic problem or issue that most of us designers came across, and that is the overset text. You must have designed ebooks, magazine, newspaper, and you have seen that the text in the newspaper is well organized. As you can see that it starts from the left and goes to the right, and in short, there is a great volume of text in these kind of design like newspaper. So when we insert text in such newspaper, so it becomes a very difficult task to handle the text because we have a limited size of the text box. So today we are going to have a look at how we can manage the text inside the text boxes. Okay, so just for an example, we have taken the example of a newspaper. As you must have seen that in the newspaper you will see some text over here, then some text over here, then some pictures, and so basically the text is in haphazard manner here and there. So when you are copying the text from any source, so it becomes difficult. So today we are going to have a look how we can manage that. So I have selected the text tool, the type tool from here, and let's suppose this is our first column. Okay, here we are going to write the text. So just for an example, I am taking the dummy text right now. I have copied that and pasted here. Okay, now you can see that I had no idea how much amount of text should I copy so that it gets fit inside the text box. And in reality, it is also impossible to estimate that whether your text will be kept inside the text box or not. So how we are gonna adjust it? Okay, first of all, we are going to set the alignment of this text like this, and here you can see that overset text. Overset text means that your copied or pasted text is going beyond the limit of the text box. So what you have to do, click on this plus button, okay, and create a text box as per your requirement. For example, I have created like this. Okay, so now our entire content has been accommodated inside these text boxes. Okay, so what we have done, basically we have linked these two text boxes with each other. So it does not matter our text is less or our text is greater, it will be accommodated in these boxes. So let's copy some more text. Okay, like this, and I'm just pasting. Okay, now what we have copied, now this text is not uh, getting fixed in even in the two text boxes, so we have to go towards the third column. So if we do it manually, it will be a very time taking task. Okay, so once again repeating the same activity, and we can create like this. Okay, then in continuity, again I'm going to select more text, copying it. As you can see, now it is going beyond the third text box, so I have to go with the fourth one. Okay, so this is a random example. Okay, there are two ways to do it. You can keep on creating the text boxes when you copy the text, or you can create the text boxes earlier and then link with each other. So we have seen one example of this type. Now we are seeing the example of another type. I am creating the text boxes in advance. Okay, we can create before and adjust later on as well. Okay, these are the text boxes that I am creating. Okay, both options are there, you can do as per your convenience. Okay, I am creating the text boxes like this. I have copied the text box. So basically these will be the text columns in which our text will go. Okay, so once again I'm copying the text, right, and placing in the first column. Okay, now doing the same activity, this is the first text box, I am going to link it with the second. Okay, now second will be linked with the third. Okay, and third will be linked with the fourth, and fourth will be linked with the fifth. So in this manner you can basically link all your text boxes, so you do not need to adjust the text inside the text boxes manually, and it will save great amount of time and will speed up your work. And we can also link across the pages like this. We have now all of our text boxes starting from here is connected till here. Okay, and if your magazine or ebook has a repeated pattern, so you do not need to link the text boxes again and again. You can simply, what you can do, basically this is a spread, you can create the duplicate spread. Okay, so this new duplicate spread has been created. So okay, so for the new text you do not have to link the text boxes again and again, just put your modified text inside these boxes. So basically this entire text is the new text that has been placed inside the existing text boxes, and it is automatically linked as per our previous practice. So in this way you can basically handle your the great volume of text in the Adobe InDesign, and I hope that you must have found this tutorial helpful.